I'm Alex Hawk, nature hunter guy, and today I'm going to be looking at some extinct animals. They look like chimpanzees. They seem to be evolved from chimpanzees. You'll see in this one video. Nature is awesome. I'm going to hide behind that bush. That's where I'm going to look at the extinct animals shown. I think I can get a good look at them without running away. Let's see if I can do this. Right there. They seem to be extinct animals. Very strange. Very strange indeed. Now, as I go hide in my super duper hiding spot. I seem to be in the right spot. They right there. Seems to be another one coming in. Must be some kind of friend. They seem to be able to talk my language. But I'm gonna go quiz them and then take a closer look. Here we go. They seem to have spotted me.
Are you a stalker? What is this? Get out of here. What is up? I hate
To be running away. I'm gonna go in and take a closer look. Wish me luck. Hey! Slow down!
stalker.
Stop! This hill is very steep. Hey, get over here! This is...
What do you want? What do you want from us?
What language do you speak?
English. What are you talking about, man? I'm your neighbor.
I'm going to question them. I'm gonna go with a thorough examination. Where are you from?
Here we're your neighbors.
Yeah. What country?
US.
They seem to speak English.
US.
They seem to speak my language and they seem to talk. They must be very evolved species.
Yo, man. We're gonna call the cops on you.
I know, you knew, but I'm gonna punch you. I will punch you.
Bro, just calm down, little boys.
Little boy.
If you want
little
if you want the bait that I set for them,
What the heck is that?
come and get it.
What is that? What's that, man?
I'm gonna throw this at them.
Doing? What the heck? Doing?
Get over here.
No.
I want the people in the camera to see you.
What? Get out of here, man.
They seem to be running away from me. I wonder why. I'm gonna have to take a closer look at them and take them in for thorough examination. Hey, get back here! They seem to understand and react to my speaking. Stop! I have found a stick. I'm gonna use them. Look, don't move, man. I got a stick.
Yo, what are you doing, man? A stick? What are you doing, man? That thing. Yo, I want to watch what you're doing there. You're a little crazy here.
Yeah.
I'm warning you. I have to take them in for thorough examination. Get over here! They seem to be vested in clothes. And they also seem to be to have glasses. Stick. I'm gonna use it. Get down! Taking them in for thorough examination. I'm gonna let the other one get away. But this one, I know. This one's the one! That one down the hill was amazing. It seems to have died. The other one seems to come. This way I could get two baits. Come on, punk! Come in with me. Hey! Get back! I'm warning you! I have caught these extinct animals. They seem to have a sense of humor. They seem to be laughing. But they're being caught. And why are they laughing? This strange sense of humor must be examined. I'm taking you in. Get down over there. I'm putting him in for closer examination. He seems to be walking away. I thought I killed him. These extinct animals seem to be very strong with no weakness. Get down! There's the other one. He's leaving. I'm gonna let him go for now.
Call the police on you, man. This is.
Stay tuned for the next episode of Man versus whatever this show is. They seem to be attacking me. I have to run.
Get him!
No, he seems to have tackled me with amazing football skills. Stay tuned for the next episode. To watch extras and more, keep watching.
Now my shoes are all like.
They seem to have shoes. What are these things? Subscribe or they will get you. Hey,
You're still videotaping us? Shut it off!
Man.
Shut off the camera!
Wait,
Shut
no.
off the camera!
No, I messed up. Okay, take 2. Subscribe. No, I think I zoomed in too much. Like, shh. Oh my gosh. Let's go. Oh crap, I forgot the camera. Okay. Anyway, they seem to be running away. I wonder why.